Yo, good morning. So this is now our seedlings. Edad is nasa 2 weeks na kapin. So you can see, maganda naman siya. So on the 2nd week of January, pwede na tong i-transplant. You can see, dalawang variety po ang ginamit natin. Ito sa kabila ay Fortuner F1. Dito naman is Calixto F1.